I am super excited to invite you to our workshop at ICS-EUS 2025 in Abu Dhabi, Beyond the Headlines, Mastering the Art of Interpreting Intervention Trial Results Without Being Misled. It's workshop number 27, happening on Saturday, September 20th. If you've ever felt unsure about how to make sense of clinical trial results, whether while reading a paper or attending a conference, this session is for you. We will break down key elements of trial design, highlight common interpretation pitfalls, and share practical tools to assess real-world relevance of the study results. This is the workshop we all wish we had. Clinicians and researchers alike are constantly faced with new studies, and making sense of them isn't always easy, especially with so much misinformation around us. During the workshop, you will learn how to critically assess intervention trials, spot red flags, and understand what the results truly mean. Through interactive activities and real-life examples, you will sharpen your evidence-based thinking and leave better equipped to engage in scientific discussions, focus on the studies that matter, and bridge the gap between research and practice in continence care. ICS-EUS 2025 brings together researchers, clinicians, and industry leaders from around the world to exchange ideas, share cutting-edge science, and shape the future of continence care. Its truly multidisciplinary focus creates unique opportunities for collaboration, learning, and translating evidence into practice. This event can't be missed. This is Gosia Starzec-Proserpio. I am pelvic health physiotherapist from Poland and postdoctoral researcher at Melanie's Morin Lab at University of Sherbrooke in Canada.